This is the dirt road that you've just spent half an hour driving down from the paved road. And if we continue heading north, we come to our farm. This is just about the boundary line right here. And this road goes through the middle of the property. Actually, it cuts it up into about 2/3 and 1/3. The cacao plantation is on the left side, the west side. And here's the trail that goes down to the bamboo. So let's take a walk and see the bamboo. Okay, here we go. This, I forget the name of. In fact, I forget the names of all of them. But this bamboo is used for making flutes. It has the right thickness, the right length between the nodes, the right weight. Here's some nice construction bamboo. This is not the biggest kind. It's a medium-sized construction bamboo. And this is about 3 years old and probably needs another 2 years to have mature bamboo for construction. Here's another bamboo. I would have to look at my map to be able to know what the names of these different bamboos are. There's 3 or 4 different kinds. You'll see lots of coconuts here. I planted probably 20 of them here. This is what we call the bamboo plantation. Because this bamboo grows so big, we only have 15 plants here. They actually recommend 50 feet apart. This is the Grand Boulevard of coconuts. They're looking a lot better since we started feeding them salt. Here's another construction bamboo. Same here, probably needs 2 years to be mature and ready. This is a kind of fence bamboo. If you plant it close enough together, you can keep out livestock. And this bamboo is a little bit like vetiver, lemongrass. You can cut it from the base, and out of this one plant you could probably get 20 or 30 fresh new plants. Okay, enough bamboo. Okay, so that was the bamboo. As we walk up the road, we come to a different view of the bamboo plantation. So that's our property up there. Goes down to the creek on that side. And of course this is the bamboo plantation. And off in the distance, you won't be able to see it because of the light, but you can see the forest. It's hard to really see the bamboo too because it's all green, but there is some close to the road. There is some construction bamboo and bigger construction bamboo and more construction bamboo. Over here, we're still using this as pasture for the milk cows. And here is my fantastic neighbor DNA. His house, he's got a tiny little plot of ground here. The best neighbor you could ask for. Wonderful children. So we just passed DNA's house, and some more pasture on this side of the road. A wonderful view of the river, by the way, over there on that hill. On this side, we have bananas, coconuts. That long-leafed beauty there is a cherimoya, one of my favorite fruits. That one there, I'm not sure if you can distinguish it, is a jackfruit. Coconuts, more bananas, oranges. I planted a neem tree over there also, but I had to move it indoors because it didn't like the rain. More coconuts. And here we come to the church. It's been called the church forever. It was used once as a church, then it was used as a barn, and then we used it to live in while we built our house on the hill. So let's take a look at the church. We've used this as a home. We've grown our vegetables here in the backyard. We have used it as a community center when we had volunteers. Now, we used to use it to make chocolate, a library, still holding together pretty well, although there are signs of termites, but the good cedar that's used in old buildings like this stands up for quite a while. This corner was our kitchen, although it'd be hard to tell now, but it was sufficient. And if you go out the back door, it's a mess. That's our old shower, laundry sink, a beautiful avocado tree, a sapote tree, and if you can hear that rustling around on the roof, that's a big lizard. No, there's a bird. Okay. And that, whoa, that is our composting toilet. Very proud of that. Let's see. More bananas. We've got some bamboo back here. We have a cherimoya tree. Someday this will be a beautiful outdoor patio. Now it's a storage area. And here is our katuk. We have a few of these katuk plants, but this is one of the healthiest and oldest. Yummy. Someday this is going to be a wood-burning bread oven. Just looking for the right worker to complete the job.